If you're thinking about buying MeetEdgar, here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. With so many social media management tools out there, it can be hard to know if MeetEdgar is the right fit. While it's a solid choice for automating posts and managing analytics, you'll want to know exactly what you're getting into. First, MeetEdgar is known for its post automation, but unlike competitors like Buffer or Hootsuite, its main strength lies in its ability to recycle evergreen content. This means that once you set it up, it will keep resharing posts for you indefinitely, saving time on reposting. Next, the pricing might be a sticking point for some. It's on the pricier side compared to others like Sprout Social or Later, with no free plan available. While you do get access to some unique features like automated post recycling, the higher price might not justify it for every user, especially if you're just starting out. The third thing to know is that MeetEdgar doesn't offer Instagram story scheduling, which is a feature other platforms like Later provide. If you rely heavily on Instagram stories as part of your social media strategy, this could be a deal breaker. Fourth, MeetEdgar's analytics aren't as robust as some competitors. Platforms like Hootsuite and Sprout Social provide more in-depth reporting, giving you insights into things like audience engagement and reach over time. With MeetEdgar, you'll get basic analytics, but if you need advanced reporting, you might want to look elsewhere. The fifth thing to consider is its ease of use. MeetEdgar's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it a great option if you're new to social media management. The platform is easy to navigate, and you can schedule posts quickly without a steep learning curve. Sixth, MeetEdgar offers integration with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, which is pretty standard. However, it doesn't support platforms like Pinterest or TikTok, which could be limiting if you want to manage a broader range of accounts. The seventh thing is the limited team collaboration features. Unlike other tools like Buffer or Sprout Social, which offer more comprehensive team management tools, MeetEdgar's collaboration features are basic. If you need more control over your team's workflow, this could be a disadvantage. Next, MeetEdgar offers a library of content categories, which allows you to group your posts based on type, like blog posts, quotes, or promotions. This helps with automation, ensuring your content is mixed up regularly. However, some users report that the system can be a bit rigid and customization options are limited compared to platforms like Buffer. The ninth thing to know is that MeetEdgar's customer support is decent, but not exceptional. While you can reach out via email and live chat, it doesn't offer phone support, which could be a downside if you're looking for quicker resolutions. 10th, MeetEdgar's automation is great, but its actual scheduling tool isn't as flexible as some competitors. Tools like Later let you visually drag and drop posts into a calendar, while MeetEdgar has a more limited scheduling feature. The 11th thing is that MeetEdgar offers a 7-day free trial, so you can test it out before fully committing. This is great, but it's a short trial, especially when compared to free trials from other tools that offer up to 30 days to explore all features. Finally, while MeetEdgar is a solid choice for automating content and maintaining a consistent posting schedule, if you're looking for something with more robust features and flexibility, we recommend trying our top solution that you can test for free. It's a great option if you want the best of both worlds in social media management. So, while MeetEdgar does have its merits, it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're interested in checking out something with more flexibility and a better value, take a look at our recommended solution. You can try it for free to see if it works better for your business.